Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn how you are going to create your YouTube channel. Okay, so this is for beginners. First things to do, you are going to open your app, which is Google. Okay, so here you are going to click, you are going to search Google, okay, sign up. Okay, so if you are going to, when you are going to type Google, it will shows a lot of options here. So find Google sign up, because you are going to create your account. Okay, so it says here create your Google account. Okay, so this steps is for those who doesn't have a Gmail using their YouTube. Okay, so create your Google account. Okay, so fill in all the blank here, the boxes, put all your informations. Okay, I will make new, this is just only a sample. Okay, how about I will make my names, how about Love Prints. Okay, so that is the name of my shirt. Okay, and then here username. Okay, so loveprints@gmail.com. And then after that, you are going to pick a password. Okay, so if you are going to pick a password, remember that no one knows, and you need to remember. And then here on the bottom, you need to confirm it. Okay, so 2 times, but it should be the same. Okay, then after that, you can see here next. You need to type that next. There you go. Okay, so you are now on the step 2. And then here you need to put your mobile number. So if you are in Philippines, if you are in other country, you are in US, you need to input your mobile number for verification code. Of this, I input my number, and then it says here recovery email optional. So if you have email, then put your email there. If you have another email that you've been using. Okay, so I have mine, so I'm going to put it there, so that just in case I forget the password of this new email, Gmail, then I can recover it. Okay, then after that, you need to encode your your birthday. What's your birthday? Okay, so my birthday is January. Okay, and then what's your gender? So I'm female, so I need to put female. Okay, female. And then after that, next, click next. Okay, so number. So I need to wait for the verification code. It's just my number. Okay, so you need to click send. Okay, so they're going to send your verification code to your number. So it says here, verify your phone number. So yes, and then send, click send, so that they can verify it using your okay. So now they will send me a verification code. So here I need to send that, I need to type that for my verification code. Okay, I need to type it. Okay, so over there, that's my, now it's verified. Okay, so you will receive this notifications that get more from your number. So for example, your number will be used as video call. Yeah, so I need to say yes, I am. So you will see the same steps if you are using iPad or computer. Okay, and then there's a terms and conditions here. Oh, privacy and terms. Okay, so you can read it. I already read it before, so I can just click agree because I agreeing about the terms. Okay, so now here it's time for you to edit your profile. So you already have your Gmail account, and then now if you want to edit it, so you can change the photos. Okay, I'm going to repeat it. Okay, so in this part, if you want to change this, as of now it's just blank or letter L, so you can choose or change your photo or your profile, then select a photo from your computer. This is not a computer, it's a mobile, so just say yeah, and then click. So now I'm going to pick labyrinth. Okay, there you go. It's not that. Okay, so that's my profile. Then set as profile photo. There you go. Okay, so that's my Gmail account now. Okay, so what we are going to do next? What do we need to do next? Okay, so you are going to go to your screen or home, and then if you have a YouTube app, then just click that. But if you don't have, you just download it because you really need this app. Okay, so I'm going to click my YouTube app, and then now I'm going to sign in using that new account. Okay, because as of now I have my existing account, which is using it for my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to use the new one. Okay, sorry. Okay, so here, if you are in, this is my app now. Okay, so if you have this app, then you need to log in or sign in. So how you are going to do that? If you don't have any YouTube, Gmail account or anything yet, just it will show sign in. But if you have existing Gmail account, then just click here, switch account. Okay, click that. Okay, and then add account. Okay, so you need to sign in now on your YouTube account. Okay, so I'm going to put my password. So guys, that's how you are going to create your YouTube channel if you are a beginner. Okay, so I hope you learned something from my videos today and from my video today, and I hope you are going to please subscribe to my channel as well. Okay, so that's my channel, Corazon Learning Channel, and click the bell button for you to get notified every time I'm going to upload my new videos. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.